Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your profile picture in the Brainly app. First, let's open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, and then at the top we tap on our profile picture, and here we have the option to select the profile picture from the ones that are below, that are suggested, or we can select a picture from our gallery, or take one picture right now, and that way we can just set how we appear inside the app. Yeah, I guess that's basically it. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.